Hello, welcome back to How to Cook Great. Look, today we're going to make this chicken curry Jalfrezi. Jal means spicy or hot, Frezi means to kind of fry. So it's a kind of dry fry kind of thing. Really delicious, of course. Right, I've got 400 grams of chicken breast. What we're going to do is I'm going to cut that up into bite-sized pieces. If you wanted, you could use a darker meat, i.e. like a chicken thigh. So I'm going to pop this chicken, now it's cut, into a container, and then we're going to add a little bit of oil and some spices to get it ready. So about a teaspoon each. I've got salt here. I've got chili powder. And there's some turmeric there. Little touch of oil, not too much at all, just to kind of bring it together. And then we're going to give that a mix and get over to the cooker. So in a dry pan, what we're going to do is just drop the mixture in. We're on an above medium heat, and we're going to cook this for around 5 or 6 minutes. Once it's ready, what we're going to do is take it out, set it to one side, but keep the pan there. We've got some lovely flavors in there. We're going to add a little bit more oil in there. The oil you use is entirely up to you. I've got a little bit of white onion in this, and I've kind of cut it quite chunky. We're turning the heat up a little bit to fairly high now. Now you can see I'm dropping in some whole green chilies. I'm not cutting them. If you cut them, they're going to get really strong. Like this, they're going to give off a nice flavor, but not be crazy. And also, I'm going to be adding green peppers to this, so I want to be able to see the difference. You know what I mean? I don't want to be biting into them. But the flavor's there. Okay, we're stirring this around just for like 3 minutes. Then we're going to add in those peppers. I've got about a cup of peppers and about a cup or one kind of regular size tomato. Remember, we're on quite a high heat now. It's more kind of a stir fry this. Little bit of salt. And then here's our spices. I always call this the big four. So we've got a teaspoon each of turmeric, chili powder, cumin and coriander powders. If you don't have that, you could put 4 teaspoons of a curry powder in. That's up to you. So stir, stir, stir. We're going to go for like another 3 minutes here. You can see that it's fairly dry, although the tomatoes will break down a little bit and give it a little bit of moisture. I've got about 3 teaspoons of garlic ginger paste. Going to drop that in now, and again we're going to stir for 2 to 3 minutes. So nice high vibrant heat. Next up, we're going to drop back in, reintroduce our chicken. In that goes. Give that a beautiful stir. Like I say, this is a kind of dry type of curry. You know what I mean? It's fairly dry, in fact, but spicy. So that's about it. The only other thing we can do is drop in a little bit of cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. Job done. Absolutely delicious. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well, thanks for getting to the end of the video. Now, look, I just want to tell you about this other channel that I've got. It's called Simon Bellyful. It's me basically going out different places in the world where I get opportunity to go to. I'm eating, seeing people, meeting people, seeing what's happening around there. So if you're into that sort of thing, have a little look at it. See you later.